Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. This will then take you into the official Craigslist website where you can log into your account by clicking on the account icon at the top right corner. Just go ahead and click on it and you will be taken into the login portal. Now, once you're inside the login portal, in order to reset your password, simply click on the Forgot Password option underneath the email box. This will then ask you to enter your email address. Simply go ahead and type in your email address and click on the Reset Password button. This will then tell you to check your inbox for a link to change your new password. So just go ahead and check your inbox and you will find an email from Craigslist. Once you open this email, you will find a link to choose your new password. Just go ahead and click on this link and then you will be allowed to create a new password for your account. You can then simply type in your new desired password and then type in your desired password once again to confirm it. After you have chosen a strong enough password, you can click on the Change Password button and this will change your password for the Craigslist website. You can also choose to go passwordless by clicking on Go Passwordless, and then you will be able to continue without ever using your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your password on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.